Okay, for a computer build you need a motherboard, then you need a processor, then you need some GPU, which is a graphics card. Okay, you need a memory, RAM, it's called RAM. You need this thermal paste to apply this on the processor, and you need a hard disk, and you need an operating system. And we're going to put all of this in this cabinet. Okay, so we've got a beautiful cabinet. We'll just take this off and we'll put this back. Okay, so right now let's open up the cabinet. It's always better to keep the screws organized. Okay, this is where the power supply is. It's also known as SMPS. A lot of cables here. They've given us a power cable for this, which is great. This is just in case we need to close something. Keep the power cable aside. Okay. This is the fan. This is some first screws and stanleys for you can mount the motherboard. What else have they given? Power. They've given us some extra cables here for what are these cables? Okay, this is for the main unit. The cables are coming from there. For the rubber band, these cables are basically where we're going to connect the all these connections. What you see, the power, the USB, the media cables, these are those connectors. You might have to see which goes where. This is USB, this is for the audio, and you can see this will be connected to the motherboard to turn on and shut down the computer. This in case we need to reset it. This is the thing for the power LED, and this is for the hard disk LED, and this is for the audio. This is for the USB. What is this for? Is it written some? Oh, this is your USB 3.0 connection. Okay, great, wonderful. Okay, so we need to do some cable management. For that, I think we need to open up this side also. So you kids are learning how to build a computer. This is the back. Be careful because fresh paint generally gets a lot of scratches. So you try to keep your working area. Okay, so I might need Diane's help now to get this off. Okay, so Ayan, I need the motherboard. Give me the motherboard. Give me a paper cutter now. I'm not going to because a lot of boxes come. This is the motherboard. It comes with some cables. I think this is for the hard disk. The board shield. basically this shield will have to sit here like this. It depends, we'll keep this on here. And this is your Gigabyte motherboard. You have to be very careful with this. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with some. Yeah, we might need to refer to a manual just to understand where the connections are. And CD just in case we need to install drivers. So we'll keep this here. We'll have to understand how this is. This is how the motherboard will look. Okay, now what we need is the processor. I have the processor. So this is your i5 9th generation processor, supposed to be really fast. I'll just try to keep it and see how this will be. It's going into the shape like this. One will just see that the screws will line up. It will line up. Okay, so let's open the processor. You need to be very careful with the processor because this is the brains of the computer. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
This thing up. Keep this here. You got that? So what comes with the processor? Oh, you got a heatsink. Great. They include heatsink with this. So this is the heatsink. Basically, this will sit on the processor. I think it comes with some thermal paste already. But yeah, we'll just add some more. Okay. That's about it. Okay. Are we missing anything? No. Alright, so this thing's remove. Okay, so we've removed this off. Now one thing you have to be very careful with the processor is this pins over here. Okay, you see how these pins are aligned? You have to align it the same way. But can I have some thermal paste? Okay, I need this handy. Don't want to be spilling this out. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the processor. First thing. Now. I'm sorry. It shows you this ad here, right? Yeah. You have these guiders here, which I don't think you'll ever go wrong. Yeah, we have installed it. Alright, now I need. So the moment I close this black lid should pop up. Yes. And that's a lock. So our processor is held very securely. Now we're going to apply the thermal paste. I don't have that syringe, but I'm just using this. Just a little bit here. So basically the processor generates a lot of heat. So the thermal paste generally cools it down. You can throw this off. Or it's just a puncheon. I think it's just a puncheon. And that's about it. So our processor is secure. And ready to go. So now we have to understand some of the connections before I put it in. So this is, if I'm going to put this way, I need to understand this is for power. PCB mode power. Right, so if I'm going to put it here like this, I need the power to come from there. Okay. Got it. And the CPU fan. So it says CPU fan over here. I'm going to put that there. Secure. Just tie these cables this way. अच्छा है. Okay, just press it in. Yeah. Looks like it's secure. Right. Now we're going to place this. I'm wondering where this needs to be connected to power, right? So I think I will take it from this here. Maybe from here. Yeah. Will it come into this? I think I'll just take it here. Like this. Pause.
So we are going to remove the GPU. Now we are going to open the GPU. You can have the cutting class. What do I call it? You have to also be very careful with this thing.
There, we're going to insert the memory now. We've done most of the cabling.
We skipped all the boring parts.
Okay. Gently just give it a nudge and on. There you go, one latch. Need to give this a second latch. Connect it properly, I don't want to damage this. Yeah, that's secure. Memory is secure. Now I need the video card.
Gigabyte.
Yeah, what is this?
Gigabyte.
This is a HDMI port. Okay. So let me just remove this here. We're installing the video card. Okay, once we have it secured, close it in. I think that is secure enough. It's locked itself here. I need a screw to tighten this up. This is the screw. Okay, pause the video. Okay, so finally we are done. We have connected our power. I'm just making sure everything is secure. Last minute checks. Our hard disk is connected. We have connected everything possible, and I'm going to put a lid to this.
Go.
Yeah, yes, yes. Oh, great. BIOS setup. Shut up.
Oh.
Did I restart? Entering power save. Great. What do I need to do? BIOS, OS configuration, boot, mobile lock, security options, fast